In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up shipping profiles on Etsy. We'll start right from your browser. Open a new window and search for Etsy. In the results, click the official Etsy link that goes to etsy.com. Once the homepage loads, log into your account using your usual credentials so you can access your seller tools. After you're signed in, open the menu for your account and choose Account Settings. This is a good moment to make sure your address and shop details are current because they affect shipping calculations. When that looks good, head to your shop manager to enter the seller dashboard. On the left-hand menu, select Marketing to confirm you're in the seller tools. Then go to Settings and open Shipping Settings. In the Shipping Settings area, switch to the Shipping Profiles tab and click Create Profile. A new form will appear, and this is where you'll build the rules that Etsy will apply to your listings. Start with your origin details. Enter your zip or postal code, and select the country your items ship from. Etsy uses this to estimate delivery and show buyers accurate timelines. Next, set your standard shipping. You'll add delivery times both for domestic orders and for international orders. Remember, Etsy asks for business days, which generally means Monday through Friday, excluding holidays. Be realistic here. It's better to promise a window you can consistently meet. Now decide what you'll charge. Choose free shipping if you plan to include the cost in your item price, or pick fixed price if you want to specify a set shipping fee. If you choose a fixed price, think about average package weight, dimensions, and your usual carrier so your costs stay predictable. If you want to offer faster options, click Add a shipping upgrade. First, choose whether the upgrade applies to domestic destinations or international ones. Then pick an upgrade type such as Express, One Day, Economy, or create a custom option. For each upgrade, enter the delivery time and the price so buyers understand the trade-off between speed and cost. Give your profile a clear name, like Domestic Standard with Express Upgrade, so it's easy to identify later. When everything looks correct, click Save Profile. That's it. The profile is stored and ready to use on your listings, helping you keep shipping consistent and transparent for every order.